to the True by Hilton and Camillus. We wanted to show you our signature Top It breakfast that you hear so much about on Wake Up Call with Dan Tortora. So I'm going to take you through station by station and show you everything that we offer.
This is Dan Tortora of Wake Up Call with Dan Tortora, and here with Robyn, True by Hilton Camillus. Robyn does a great job on all of our videos. We're going to try these together, so I've decided to step away from the camera and to be here with you to put it together the way we want to put it together. So we're going to make our yogurt the way we want to, right?
Love it. Yep, let's do it.
You go first.
So I like to do a little crushed pineapple in my yogurt for a little healthier option. And I like to top it with a little granola as well, and a little bit of cinnamon.
Alright, I am going to go with the crushed pineapple. I'll equal you with this, but you can't put chocolate chips on the bar and have me not take some, so don't do that. You gotta do that.
Healthy with a little bit of sweet.
Yeah, healthy with a little bit of sweet here. Like a chocolate pineapple. So, you can see it here, folks. You got the yogurt made your way on the Top It breakfast bar here, True by Hilton Camillus. Why don't we step into the next one here? You got to keep eating and go down the line. But thank you. Cheers.
Cheers. So for the cereal options, we've got a sweeter one for the kids. We've even got a few gluten-free options, heart-healthy options, and one of my favorites is the Special K berries, and then put a little bit of the chocolate chips in there. It's pretty amazing.
All right, so this could be pretty self-explanatory on what cereal. Like you have Honey Nut Cheerios, you have the Special K red berries, you have Fruit Loops and whatnot. So this is what we could put on here. This is what we have here. Like you said, different healthy options and whatnot. I'm a child, so I'm going with Fruit Loops.
Next.
Where are you going?
I'm going to go Special K red berries.
You go Special. I'm going with Fruit Loops. But what should I put something in the Fruit Loops? That's the question.
You got Oreo pieces would be a great unhealthy option.
With yeah, an unhealthy option. You know, put some almonds in here. I'm gonna try that up, and I'm gonna put some granola in here. See, I'm gonna make it healthy. I'm making it healthy. Now that you got almonds and whatnot, but that's good stuff. Who doesn't like Fruit Loops? And they're here every single morning, so that's the way to get it done. And these almonds are really good too. So make the cereal the way that you want to make it. And if you're like me, the Fruit Loops always have to be a part of it.
Agreed. So one of our signature items is our Waffle Boats. Yeah, you heard that right, a Waffle Boat. It's a little bit different just because it's made like a boat so that you can fill it full of toppings. And you can top it however you want.
So we are going to make our waffle boats simultaneously. So am I grabbing this one?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. I have to watch you because I don't know what I'm doing. But like I originally prefaced on this video, I am not good at making waffles. And I can cook, I promise I can cook. You've seen me in the kitchen before, but I'm not good at making waffles. So we're going to share Robyn's perfectly made waffles, your boats here. And so we have the one side, let's show everybody what this looks like. So you got the one side that looks like that traditional waffle. The other side is your boat. And now we can put in whatever we want.
We can chop it.
Okay, you go ahead.
All right.
Whatever you're doing.
So I'm going to do some salted caramel.
Okay.
Glaze here.
Alright. I'm going to steal the top of the garlic.
Yeah. And then I'm going to put some Oreos on mine. And I'm going to do a little marshmallow fluff. And I'm going to finish mine off with some whipped cream topping.
Alright, so that's it. Let's see if
Whipped cream?
Yeah, I'm going to do it.
Gotta do it.
Simple enough. The waffle boats. mine looks interesting. Yours looks like it would be served somewhere. Mine looks like a child made it, but that's fine. Should we try them?
Let's try it.
Okay, I'll grab one for it.
Got it right here.
You got it? All right. Thank you. As long as it tastes good, right?
Oh, it tastes amazing.
That's what it's about. It tastes the part. That's what counts. The Waffle Boat is the signature piece of the whole Topping breakfast bar. Is this the thing that everybody runs to?
This is.
This is the one?
Yep.
Above everything? Is there a close second or no?
Eggs and sausage, I would say close second.
Eggs and sausage. So, once again, the Waffle Boat. Get yours, make it pretty, but however you make it, put on it whatever you like because it's a Topping breakfast bar and you get to make your own. And it can be different every day. So however many days you stay here, have 3 different types of Waffle Boats.
Absolutely.
We got a couple more things to get to, so let's do that.
So probably our second favorite option is the eggs and sausage. So we've got a scrambled egg mixture and we've got shredded cheese, 2 different types of salsa to top it with. And then we've got a chicken apple sausage for the protein option. It's really good, actually one of my favorite things on the breakfast. And it's a great hot meal. So one of our other options is we've got bagels, donuts, and English muffins. We've got usually a couple different types of bagels, a little something for everyone. We've got a wheat one for if you're eating a little healthier. We've got everything bagel, and we've got this amazing cilantro lime everything bagel topping, of course. The donuts are also just a classic old-fashioned donut, and they're meant for you to be able to top it with anything. So if you want to throw a little bit of apple pie sauce on top of your donut, get crazy.
So, we got to experience the Topping breakfast bar, everything from the eggs to the sausage, the bagels, the donuts, the English muffins, the Waffle Boat, the cereal, the yogurt. So many great options here at True by Hilton Camillus. You got to come out to Township 5 and check it out. If it's a staycation or a vacation, you know where to come, and you know that after you eat all this food, you take a little break, and then you go do what I do and play basketball. Robyn, as always, I appreciate everything, and you always do a great job.
Thank you. Thanks so much for coming. And come stop by and see us.